Well, there it is, the RB18, the new Redbull for 2022. Obviously, it probably isn't the full car. Like, I don't think they're really going to show every little trick piece they've got, so it's probably more renderings than anything else. But if that's the actual livery, the design, the sponsor placement, all that kind of stuff, I really like it. Personally, you'll see it in one of the next videos, or in this picture right here. On the air intake, the airbox on the top, I actually really like where they put the the Redbull, the actual like logo of the company right on that sign. I think it's a pretty it's a pretty bland livery when you think about it. It's just a mostly, I'm gonna say blue, maybe purplish black, whatever color, with some slight reds and yellows here, but it doesn't you don't need a really overstated livery to be cool. It just needs to be well done, and personally I think it looks nice. Especially that their new title sponsor, Oracle, which is actually a pretty big thing in the racing now for lighting and all that kind of stuff, so it's pretty cool. I like it a lot. I'm excited to see what the car actually looks like when it's fully done, but you tell me in the comments below, what do you think of it? Good, bad, don't care, whatever. And that's probably the best shot for the final. So again, tell me in the comments below, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.